the main top Pope, the Pope has resigned. Okay. There are some news that there was a leakage from because the Vatican or the Roman Catholic is the original or the first. They are the base. Okay, before other sects of Christianity broke up from them. So it started with the Catholic Christians, or they call it the Roman Catholic Christians. It is it used to be based in Constantinople in Turkey. Okay, but later on, next time I will give you the brief historical background of the Catholic Church. Right now, the Pope has resigned. He said that there was a problem with his health, and supposedly he wants to retire. He can't do the job anymore. So, subhanallah, they are giving great adoration to this guy, to this person, and they think that he's infallible or he cannot do a mistake. But if you are somebody who is big in the Catholic Church, you're not supposed to resign. Until you die, you take on that responsibility, supposedly, until you die. But what happened is, this is the first time it happened in the history of the Catholic religion, Catholic Christians, that a Pope resigned. There are speculations that there was a leakage from inside, because they have this very big library that is very secret. It's only for them. And there are so many books there, and so many written books, and so many things knowledgeable about them. And one of the leakage that that somebody said that was leaked, and the person who leaked it is very close to the Pope. It's like the butler of the Pope. It's like the assistant. Very, very close. Now what happened is,